Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on Facebook. So if you want to restrict someone on Facebook without you blocking them, here is a quick tip or a guide on how to get it done. First thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app on your phone. Once you open it, then you have something like this on your home screen. Then you tap on this menu icon right here. Then you tap on your friends. Tap on your friends tab, then you tap on your friends. Then from there you can select a particular friends you want to restrict. So I'm just going to tap on this particular person here. I'll tap on it, then I'll tap on the drop down button right in front of the friends option. I'll tap on it. Then from here I can tap on edit friend list. Then right here I can restrict the person. Just tap on restrict, then tap on done, and that is it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.